From your device, computer, iPad, tablet, or cell phone, go to your search engine and you can either type it in the search window or up here at the location bar. Type in helencordero.aps.edu and hit your enter or return button. Once you get to Helen Cordero, you will have to scroll down. On a phone, you'll have to go a lot further, but on this particular page, it shows up right away, and you see the learning links, a little spaceship or rocket. You will click on there, and there is a link that will get you to our testing websites as well as other games and activities. You see those same games here, but those will eventually be deleted, so we suggest going directly here to only 2 clicks. And here you see a variety of testing sites and learning sites that we use here at Helen Cordero Primary. Once you get there, click on Gigi the Penguin. When that opens up, you may be asked to enable Flash Player. So you'll have to click on that little puzzle piece and then click up in the corner where it says Allow. And that will allow the animation and videos to continue. And then we see the animation beginning now as the different pictures begin to drop down. Depending on the speed and processor in your computer, it may take a while. As you can see, this is sort of going very slowly. But it will eventually catch up. And once it catches up, you're going to see a setup screen. And the setup screen is going to allow you to set up our specific school information to allow your child to find their credentials and their activities that they've been doing here at school. Now here it is. It's detecting the school and it's looking for the homework. And down at the bottom you see enter activation code. Then you enter in the activation code, and I will read that out to you now. You will click on the first box, and once you see your cursor blinking, HEL 6 Q 0 LNF GR JB, and where is this computer located? It is not at school, but off-site at home, doing homework. So be sure you click on the house because your child is working at home. Now, if they were at school, of course, it would be set up differently by their teacher. Then you need to click on Allow Local Data Storage. That yellow button you see there, click on that. And then there's a teeny tiny green check mark that also says Allow. Click on that. Welcome to ST Math. Yay! And there is our homework button. And it will open up to a login page for the student to log in with their picture pass. To log into ST Math, there is a series of 13 pictures that they need to click on in sequence. If they don't know there are 13 pictures, you might ask their teacher to print it out for them, or they can go to the equal sign down at the bottom where that little red arrow is pointing, and then they will have to log in their student number where it says username, and then the password for all students is #student1 APS. And you'll see an example of that right there. There's a student number for the individual student, and then all students use #student1 APS, and that will take them to a password tutorial that will help them use and learn their password pictures in sequence. Then when it's time to go, they log out and click out, and they are done for that session.
To create a shortcut for a website on your Windows desktop, right click on the desktop, select New and select shortcut. Now in this location text box type the address of the website whose shortcut you want to create. For example, if I want to create a shortcut of Google, then I will just type the address for Google and then click on next. Now here you can give the name for the shortcut as Google, then click on finish. You can see that there is a shortcut which is being created here on the desktop. Now if I open this one, then you can see the website opens in the default browser of your system.
So if you have a Mac, you just open up your browser, Safari or whatever, and type in the website that you would like to use. Hopefully you will be typing in helencordero.aps.edu. Then you go up there to the very top where you see that red circle and you drag it off to your desktop, and that will create the location, the web location or shortcut to our website. That way all you have to do is click on that and you will be instantly taken to that website as shown here.